Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you travel Copenhagen to Sweden and Sweden to Denmark and you have subscription of Øresund Bridge. That one is the biggest bridge of two countries connected, and this bridge are providing you different types of subscription and charges. If you have no subscription, so you need to charge one way 450 Danish krona. It's a little expensive, but if you have subscription, so you just pay 175 Danish krona. How to get subscription? I already make a separate video to related this information. This video is available on video description. This video I'm giving you detailed information how to add the same subscription 5 different vehicles, and those 5 different vehicles just pay 175. It means you can access this subscription around 5 vehicles. So that one is really tricky and important points. How to add extra vehicle in the subscription, this video cover information. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on my Mac screen. So first of all, I open here Øresund Bridge website. I just put it here Øresund and the link is coming here. Even I already added this link in video description. So after you clicking here, so look at this, the prices of private vehicles, passenger car, max 6 meter, 178. Online ticket price is 414 and regular price is 460 Danish krona. It's expensive. So as I personal recommendation, if you travel like a yearly 1 or 2 times, so this subscription is very affordable. You pay just only annual subscription is 365 Danish krona, but first time you need to pay 950 Danish krona. Rest of information I already make this separate video, but that one is really important. 178 Danish krona is not big amount. So just simply click here my account, and here rest of information is coming here, account, contract and vehicle. So we can click here in the vehicle. Inside the vehicle, my vehicle registration information is available here. I already registered 2 vehicles here. So look at this here, you can switch unlimited between your connected vehicle. That one is really interesting. Recent activity, you can see here, not use anything. How to add extra vehicle? It's very simple process. Set up license plate payment. Just simply click here, and here the Øresund Pay. So you can pay via your website. So if you add here your friends vehicles or different family members vehicle, so the payment comes in the Øresund application, and which card you put it there accordingly. Here the country, which country nameplate you have in your car. So I just simply select here in Denmark, but rest of 24 EU countries and other countries name plate is also available. Don't worry about this. You need to put it here your license plate number of the specific car and search here. So look at this here, Tesla Model Y, under the all the information is automatically coming here, and the plugging the hybrid no. And after that you just simply use here the specific date when your family member are traveling or last time. So I just simply put it here one of the date like May 30th. In between he can travel multiple times and just pay 170 for one time. And here the add option is available. After that the vehicle detail is automatically coming here. This process you need to spend around 3 to 5 days. Early you can register or add extra vehicle in Øresund Bridge website. So accordingly your friend or family member not facing any kind of problem. This is the one of the simple process to add extra vehicle in your Øresund Bridge subscription. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.